Y'all know how much I love a quiet morning, but event mornings at our house, not quiet. They're busy, but there's a rhythm to the madness. We all buzz around like bees, checking things off our checklists. Warmers, trays, the dough, the boys who sometimes still forget their hats, and yes, I've got the coffee flowing. We load up the hive, our sweet little dream on wheels, and hit the road. Some days the kids are excited. Other days they're dragging their feet and half asleep in the back seat. But I remind myself, these are the kinds of lessons that grow roots. Inside the trailer, we've got our routine down. The trays come out, the warmers go on, and we all know the rhythm. The boys work so hard, and it makes me so proud of them. There's always a short window where everything's still calm, and we're double checking, sauce bottles in place, gloves on, everything where it should be. We laugh, we tease each other a little, sometimes argue a little, and then we brace, because once the window's up, it's game time. I usually try to walk around the market before it begins because I know once it starts, I'm not going to get a chance. This farmer's market has the best produce, fresh milk, grass-fed beef, these delicious empanadas, and so much more. I love stopping by this bakery booth. Everything is so delicious, and my kids are always happier when they're fed. One flaky croissant or Danish, and suddenly everyone is smiling again.
Working with your kids is 70% beautiful chaos and 30% bribery.
One of the best things about food truck life are the people you meet. The different makers, bakers, and growers. We all show up before the sun, chasing something homemade, organic. It's not just about quality products, it's about community. Once the window opens, it's literally nonstop. The line doesn't quit, the orders don't stop, and somehow the kids are just on it. Like, yes, they were whining 10 minutes ago, but now they're kicking out orders and making it happen. All right, it's loukoumades time. Greek donuts for the win. They're crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, and our toppings make them perfection. We offer Biscoff, cookies and cream, cinnamon sugar, Nutella with a white chocolate crunch, and of course, the classic and traditional honey and cinnamon. We also love to add seasonal and limited time topping options. This line, it doesn't stop. It's wild, it's loud, it's a little chaotic, but we're in it together. And these boys, they work hard. I watch them learn customer service, teamwork, and hustle, and I'm low-key impressed with them. These guys are honestly my favorite part about this entire business. I love working with my kids. And I know it sounds a little crazy, especially since we homeschool too, but it's such a gift. It's a different kind of togetherness. I get to see them solve problems, step up, and confidently interact with people. And even when they grumble or drag their feet, I can't help but feel proud. Watching them grow through this, it's kind of the whole point. Once we're done, whether the event ends or we sell out, my husband shows up and saves the day. He closes a window, we pack up the chaos, and somehow we're all still speaking to each other. But yeah, it doesn't end when the event is over. We head home and there's still a truck to clean, hoppers to scrub, sticky surfaces to wipe down, and of course, an outside to wash. It's not glamorous, it's greasy, it's loud, it's sweaty, and something always happens that we didn't anticipate. But it's ours, and we built it. And on days like this, when it all comes together, it's so worth it.